Are you ready to elevate your online store with an exceptional Shopify theme? Introducing Retina, a theme designed specifically for small to medium catalogs and community-oriented brands. With Retina, you provide a seamless shopping experience, whether on mobile devices or desktops. Choose from over 20 sections and start customizing your store effortlessly with 4 included presets. Users rave about Retina, praising its beautiful design and user-friendly features that inspire confidence. Imagine managing a clean, minimal store appearance that resonates with your audience. Retina's highlighted features enhance brand trust with stunning testimonial sections and featured product callouts. Elevate your brand's image with a sleek and professional design that truly stands out. Join over 20,000 satisfied merchants who have transformed their stores using Retina. With world-class support and automated theme updates, building your online business has never been easier.